Site app: the pros, the cons. If you manage websites, servers or cloud infrastructure, Site promises real-time monitoring and analytics, but does it really simplify its management? One of the biggest pros is comprehensive monitoring. Most people get this wrong by thinking server monitoring is limited to uptime checks. Site tracks performance metrics across websites, servers, cloud services, and network devices, giving a holistic view of your environment. Alerts are customizable, so you know immediately when issues arise. Another advantage is ease of access. The mobile app allows administrators to view dashboards, receive alerts, and troubleshoot problems on the go. Integrated reporting and analytics provide historical trends and insights, which help in capacity planning and performance optimization. Site supports multiple platforms and cloud services, including Azure, and Google Cloud. You can automate monitoring, configure thresholds, and manage alerts to reduce downtime and improve reliability. However, there are cons. The app can feel complex for small businesses without dedicated staff. Some users report occasional delays in alert notifications, and advanced features require a higher tier subscription. Additionally, the learning curve may be steep for beginners unfamiliar with network monitoring concepts. In conclusion, Site is a powerful tool for professionals seeking detailed monitoring and actionable insights. The surprising truth is that while it's feature-rich, smaller teams may need time to fully leverage its capabilities. For anyone responsible for maintaining websites or infrastructure uptime, Site offers robust monitoring and analytics, but be prepared to invest time in setup and learning to get the most out of it.